everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a J. Crew factory haul. They have had some really cute new fall arrivals, very preppy vibes, and I love it. I got some new pieces in that I'm gonna share and I'll have them linked. I also have one thing that I grabbed from the actual J. Crew that I definitely needed more colors, but I'm gonna share that at the very end. But I'll have everything linked, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first up from J. Crew Factory is this little polo knit. It is a fine knit material, so it's a little bit on the thinner side, the lighter weight side. I actually don't know. This might be one of their merino wool pieces, but it's, again, very lightweight knit, not so bulky, a great transition piece. I love this color. I feel like I could wear this with a pair of jeans and loafers and run out the door, and then layer it with some really cute jackets. But the color is so good. Size-wise, I went with a size small, and then this little skirt is so cute. I saw it and I was like, ugh, I've been seeing this kind of plaid everywhere this fall. It's kind of this like terracotta brown with a navy in it, and it's so pretty. This one is a really nice quality skirt. It is flat in the front. It does have a zipper on the side, and then the back has like this scrunchy material, so it kind of cinches in, and it's very forgiving and comfortable as you sit down and get back up. It also has these like cotton-like built-in shorts underneath, which is so good. I feel like I cannot wear a skirt without some kind of short underneath, and I love that they are built into these. Size-wise with the skirt, I did go with a size 2. I do feel like they're a little loose. I'm not sure if I went down to a 0, it'd be too tight. So I feel like I'm kind of in between sizes. I'm not sure. I might try the 0, but I love the length of it. So cute with boots for fall. And then here is the polo untucked. You can kind of see it's a little bit on the longer side. Great to tuck into things. So cute. I love this one for fall. Okay, next up is this cotton cable knit vest. I love this. This is such a great piece to have. Easy to layer with. You can wear a t-shirt or a button-up long sleeve underneath, or you can wear it alone in the warmer months here. I think it looks so cute with the skirt, very preppy. I love the navy again. It's not a super thick, heavy knit, but it is a nice cotton, very soft. Size-wise, I did go with a size small in it, and I will have it linked. Next up, I have another cotton cable knit sweater. This one is a crew neck long sleeve one in this really pretty cream color. Very classic looking, so comfortable. I just love it. I think it's such a great sweater. If you don't have a cable knit sweater in your closet, you need to have at least one because it's very classic, and I love the color on this one. However, size-wise, on the model looked very fitted, and I love sweaters to just have a little bit of slouch, a little bit of that relaxed fit. So I did size up to a medium, and I'm very happy I did. I feel like I have that little bit of slouch, a little bit of relaxed fit. Just feels more comfy to me. So super cute. And then I tried a pair of denim, and I actually really like them. They are called the 90s vintage baggy jean. I love the wash. It is a really great dark wash. I'm actually not sure if it's supposed to be high rise or like a mid-rise, because it's quite forgiving in the waist, like quite baggy, and I kind of feel like that's the vibe. Like it's supposed to be a little slouchier everywhere. I think the length is really good too. Again, I'm not sure if it's high-waisted and it's supposed to hit right on my ankle, or if it's a little more like baggier, if it's supposed to be a little longer, but they are so comfortable, so soft. The butt pockets are really good on them. They have just a nice relaxed fit. Highly suggest them. Size-wise, I did stick true to size in a 26. I'm not sure if a 25, if the waist would be a little bit better, but again, I think it's kind of that vibe where you want it to be a little looser, a little baggier. It is the baggy jeans, so a great price too. All right, next up is this adorable barn jacket that I'm pretty sure is going viral right now. So if you want it, grab it. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. We all know barn jackets are very popular right now, but I've seen a ton of plaid ones, and this one is so good. So it has the dark brown corduroy collar. It has the gold button detailing along with a gold zipper. So I love the hardware on it. some pockets in the front, and then the plaid on it is so beautiful. It's like a tan kind of background with like a brown and navy plaid. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. I think the fit is really, really nice too. It is not too long and not too cropped either. Very, very cute. I love it. You guys, it's really good. All right, last up from J. Crew Factory is this sweatshirt polo. I thought it was so cute, so comfy and cozy, and it totally is. It is a very, very nice, thick, fleecy material on the inside, and then the outside is a really pretty oatmeal color with the contrasting like cream collar, the little buttons. I would say it has definitely a relaxed fit. I got a size small in it, and it has kind of that slouchier fit. So cozy though. I think it's so cute. You can wear it with a great pair of jeans, or you can wear it with a great pair of joggers as well. All right, last up, this is from actual J. Crew. They launched a new version of the roll neck sweater. There is some love-hate in the reviews for this sweater. I love it. I saw it immediately and was like, I love the roll neck sweater that they've had in the past. The new version is oversized and I am all about it. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. So it has the classic roll neck, but a little bit wider and a little bit looser. The arms are a little bit oversized. The body is quite oversized. It is the coziest, comfiest sweater. It is in their cotton material, so it's super comfortable, not itchy or anything. Very soft. Oh, I love it. The problem I had was what color do I get, because they launched so many good colors. They had a navy, a brown, black, I think a pop of red, some striped options. I opted for the ivory first. I know I'm gonna be grabbing this in another color. Again, if you love the classic roll neck sweater, this one is just the oversized version of that. So if you want an oversized version, you guys are gonna love this one. It's so good. Size-wise, I did go with a size small in it, so I stuck true to size, and it's definitely oversized. So I still get that oversized fit, but I did stick true to size. You don't need to size down or anything, so. Oh, I love this one. I'm gonna live in this. So that is it for my J. Crew Factory haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.